and welcome to a tutorial about how to sign up to the EA Global platform. From the eaglobal.ai website, we're going to start by clicking on the Start Free Trial button. We are then going to Sign Up Now. From here, we'll be asked to enter our email address and create a password, following all of the restrictions below. From here, we can click Sign Up, and we'll be asked to verify our email. When that email comes through, I'll come back. So that email has come through, I've verified it, and I'm just going to click Check Authorization Status, and it will let me in. So I'm going to set my name, and I'm going to include my title position as tester, and my phone number, I'm just going to pop 1. I can subscribe or unsubscribe from email notifications here, but I'm going to click Continue. I can provide my organization name, which will be tester, and a workspace name. You can create workspaces on the fly for different projects, which will be explained in upcoming videos, but they will all be nestled under the Organization tab. And once I save and continue, I can upload my first document, or I can run my first autofill. So let's run my first autofill. Here, I can either use the autofill new form or create form from scratch. However, before I do these, what is key is uploading to the knowledge base. You can find these in different videos. But when you are into the platform, if you have any other problems or you have any questions, please use the Get Help button in the bottom left-hand corner. Thank you very much.